In a world where unforeseen events can unfold in the blink of an eye, having a reliable dashcam is more crucial than ever. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone who values peace of mind on the go, we've got you covered. That's why in today's video, I'm super excited to share my picks for the top 5 best dash cams you can get right now. I've tested out tons of models, and these are the ones that really stood out for both features and value. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the world of dash cams. Number 5. Ring Car Cam. The Ring Car Cam is a sophisticated dual camera system equipped with HD lenses at both the front and rear, providing comprehensive coverage of your vehicle from various angles. When any unusual activity is detected around your parked car, the device promptly sends mobile alerts to keep you informed. Whether someone accidentally bumps into your car or attempts to tamper with it, you'll be promptly notified. With the Ring app, you can access the live camera feed and engage in two-way audio communication, which is particularly useful for addressing incidents like parking lot dings and encouraging responsible behavior. The Ring Car Cam offers a suite of connected features and high-definition, multi-angle footage. It's worth noting that while the device itself is priced reasonably, many of its advanced features, such as video recording and collision warnings, require a subscription service, which is an additional cost to consider. Overall, the Ring Car Cam integrates seamlessly into the Ring ecosystem, enhancing the security of your vehicle with its advanced features and capabilities. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin packs a ton of capabilities into a tiny cam that hides neatly behind your mirror. It records crisp 1080p footage with a 140-degree field of view to capture action on all sides. The automatic incident detection ensures any collisions get saved to Garmin's online vault storage automatically. I love the voice control feature for totally hands-free operation. Just tell it to start recording or take a still shot. You can even check in on your parked car using live view monitoring on the app. At its compact size, the Mini 2 can slip behind your rearview mirror barely noticed. It only comes in black and has some language limitations, but it packs a punch for features versus size. However, that it does not include GPS capabilities or an onboard display, which some users might find essential. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is an excellent choice for drivers who value stealth and functionality in their dashcam. Number 3. Vantrue E1. The Vantrue E1 dashcam is a budget-friendly option that offers 2.7K video recording with a high-quality Sony sensor, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. It captures details such as license plates with precision. The integrated GPS provides valuable speed and location data for all your journeys. Additionally, the E1 features a 24-hour parking mode that records time-lapse footage to monitor your vehicle when parked. Its connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and voice control, along with a convenient Bluetooth remote, make it easy to access, control, and manage the dashcam. If you're looking for a dashcam that combines great video quality with user-friendly features at an affordable price, the Vantrue E1 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Nexer Pro. The Nexer Pro dashcam system, designed specifically for rideshare and frequent drivers. It contains both a road-facing cam to record your travels, plus an interior cam to capture what passengers are up to. The full HD footage provides complete coverage from both angles, and the integrated GPS automatically keeps all your trips logged with location data. Nexer's parking mode uses motion detection, so it can also watch your vehicle when parked. And it seamlessly streams footage to your smartphone for instant evidence if an incident occurs. For complete interior and exterior coverage, with cloud connectivity, the Nexer Pro is a top choice. Number 1. Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam. This high-tech cam has cutting-edge smart features to protect and enhance your drives. With built-in Alexa, you can use voice commands to play music, get directions, or manage other controls completely hands-free. It offers multiple camera angles with stunning 4K clarity to catch threats and impacts in vivid detail. And my favorite part is the intelligent sensing and alerts. It can warn you about close objects when parking, detect bumps or activity when parked, and even notify emergency responders if an accident happens. Of course, these premium features come at a premium price. But for high security, smart assistance on the road, and sweet footage, the Nextbase IQ takes the crown. So, there you have it, our top 5 dash cams for 2024. Each one has its unique features, so choose the one that fits your needs and hit the road with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.